In this video, we'll show you how to fix GPS signal lost alert in Google Maps for Android. So to fix this, first head to the Settings app, scroll down and then tap on Location. Here tap on Location Services. In this menu, tap on Location Accuracy. Now make sure this toggle is turned on. Now go back and make sure Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning is also enabled. Now go back to the main settings page. Now find battery on the list. Now make sure that the power saving mode is disabled on your Android. If it's on, make sure to turn it off from here. Now go back, scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. Here you need to tap on Date and Time. Now make sure this automatic date and time and automatic time zone toggles are enabled. If your phone is set to an incorrect date or time, you may experience problems with Google Maps and all the other apps. So make sure to check this. Finally, long press on the Maps app and then tap this info icon. Now go to Permissions. Now go to Location. And here make sure you have selected Allow all the time or Allow only while using the app. Additionally, you need to enable this Precise Location toggle. Now go back to the app info page again, scroll down and then tap on Battery. Here select Unrestricted from the list. Now go back and then tap on Mobile Data. Now make sure you have allowed Google Maps to use mobile data in the background. Now try using Google Maps again and see if it works. If it doesn't, what you can do is come back to the Google Maps app info page, tap the three dot icon and then select Uninstall Updates. Now select Uninstall Updates again to confirm. Once you have done that, go to the Play Store and then search for the Google Maps app. Here you should see an option to update. Simply tap on Update. Once you have updated the app, simply go ahead and restart your Android phone. After that, Google Maps will work as expected.